everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to download or install Quora application on your mobile device. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up your App Store or your Play Store, and guys bring up the search bar and type in Quora apps and hit the search. See over here you can see the Quora application. Just click on that application. Now from over here you can install the application by clicking on install button. Scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the rating and reviews. I'm here to installing this application by clicking on install button. It might take a while to install depending upon your internet connection. Wait for it. See guys, the application has been installed. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our more latest videos. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.